I warmly greet Mr. Andreas Klaffner, Head of Business Development and Application Engineering at Optibelt GmbH. Today we are talking about two new high-performance timing belts. It's about to be launched. On the one hand, it's the Optibelt Omega High Load, and on the other hand, it's the Optibelt Omega High Power. Andreas, please tell us a little bit more about this strong duo.
Hello Daniel. First of all, thank you for the invitation. You're right, we really have developed a strong duo here. The previous Omega HP and Omega HL have been successful on the market for several years. Now it was time to develop these products further and increase its overall power ratings.
Yes, customers are familiar with the two belts that have been popular on the market for years, as the Optibelt Omega, Omega HP or Omega HL. What motivated you to expand this product range and how was the higher performance achieved?
Yes, we saw that the performance gap to our top product, the Optibelt Delta Chain timing belt, is too large, and we wanted to reduce that gap, which we have successfully succeeded. We realized several significant improvements in some design elements. On the one hand, we are now using a rubber mixture highly filled with aramid fibers. As a result, these products appear a bit more grayish, but this feature is an indication of the very high quality of the rubber compound. We have also strengthened and further developed the tension member in the Omega High Load. The very good adhesion of the cord with the carrier material in connection with this improved cord results in a very good shock resistance. We speak up to 25% higher power performance for the Omega High Power and about to 40% higher performance for the Omega High Load. That's a lot in mechanical terms.
These are all very good properties. Are there any other features that distinguish these products from the previous ones?
Yes, there are a few others very noticeable modifications. We have changed and modernized the printing on the belt, and the wording also has been revised. The belts now are printed with the performance classes and not longer with the profile within the performance classes. High power and high load therefore stand for a certain performance of the product. The new marking versus the previous one also have been changed in order to better see the difference between the previous product range.
What about the electrical conductivity?
A very good hint. The electrical conductivity, of course, is kept and nothing changed in this regard.
And should the two new products replace the Omega HP and HL?
Partially. In that case, the Omega High Load will completely replace the Omega HL. For the Omega High Power, it's a bit more complex and difficult. This product line will continue to be produced and offered in the 2M, 3M and 5M profiles as Omega HP. The Omega High Power will gradually replace the previous product in the 8M and in the 40mm pitch because it is widespread on the market as Omega HP and is used in many OEM applications. Therefore, the changeover to the new Omega High Power will of course take a bit longer.
Stronger, more powerful, more compact. These are keywords that I was able to take from the new product brochures. In which drive should the two new products be used mainly?
These new products are suitable for all modern drives in a large number of applications in which synchronous power transmission is required. Our application engineers will be happy to answer any questions you have about this and of course for more details to be clarified.
And how has the price structure developed in relation to the previous known Omega HP and HL products?
We luckily have managed to develop these new products in such a way that we can bring them to the market at a similar price level as the existing range.
Andreas, when will these belts be available on stock?
Here, the same rules apply as for the previous Omega HB and Omega HL. Means that the dimensions available from stock in the previous range also will be available from stock in the new range.
And when is the earliest date customers can order these belts?
The new range can be ordered as from October 21.
Okay, and are there any supporting documents and materials available for the customers?
Of course. The launch will be supported by accompanying brochures, data sheets, calculations options, presentations and product trailers showing the strong duo. Basic training courses will be available in German and English. The information package is surrounded by country-specific virtual training courses and customer presentations.
Andreas, thank you for the interesting insight in the development of the Optibelt Omega High Load and the Optibelt Omega High Power, and I wish you all the best for the market launch.
Daniel, thank you as well. All in all, a very complete package that is now being offered, and I'm really looking forward to the market launch. We launched here a really good new product range. With the Omega High Power and the Omega High Load, advanced technical solutions in a variety of applications can be offered to our customers. Thanks again for the invitation.